Here, at the Intelligent Autonomous System Laboratory of the University of Padova, we are working on human-robot collaboration. In our project CURAMI, the robot can perceive the human operator and act in an intelligent way in response to human action. In this project, the company Almec, that is one of the partners, provided the mechanical parts to be assembled in order to realize a product, and now the robot and the human can assemble in a cooperative way this device. The robot supports the operator in three ways. First, it sorts the objects according to their shapes. And then it passes the right object at the human at the right moment, and during complex phases it can also hold some of the parts to simplify the assembly. Moreover, the system can also check the posture of the human operator during the whole production process or the assembly process, and check if the human limbs are within the ergonomic bounds in order to prevent any damage to the human body.